Welcome to Lil Yacht Sales. Today we're taking you through this beautifully maintained 1980 Morgan 462, a proven blue water cruiser designed and equipped for serious offshore and liveaboard comfort. As we approach from the dock, let's take a moment to talk about why the Morgan 462 is such a respected design in the cruising world. The 462 is part of a legendary lineage. Boats known for their strength, stability, and long-range cruising capability. The keel design gives this yacht a shallower draft without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for both blue water passages and exploring coastal shallows or island chains. Morgan built these boats with thick fiberglass layups, wide beams, and center cockpit layouts that provide exceptional interior volume and offshore security. Owners constantly praise the 462 for its comfortable motion at sea, its ability to carry large stores for extended cruising, and the reliability of its systems and structure, even for decades later. Stepping aboard, the wide, secure side decks makes movement fore and aft safe and comfortable. High tow rail, solid stainless rails, and excellent handholds give you the confidence in any sea state. At the bow, the anchor platform and windlass area are clean and well organized. The windlass was fully rebuilt along with new fittings, hoses, hardware. This is a robust anchoring system designed for real cruising. Looking aft, you get a great view of the tall mainmast, the uncluttered decks, and the wide platform that makes the Morgan 462 such a comfortable passage maker. Continuing aft, the mizzen mast stands solid and well rigged. The stern deck is clean and functional with strong davits and an arch supporting the tender, solar array, and wind generator. With three 140-watt solar panels, a wind generator, and a Northern Lights 6-kilowatt generator, this vessel is set up for extended off-grid cruising. This is a true cruising setup, strong, practical, and capable. Moving into the cockpit, you'll find a wide, deep, and secure center cockpit, one of the Morgan's 462's best features. The seating is generous, visibility is excellent, and the protection from the Dodger and Bimini makes this a comfortable space underway or at anchor in a wide range of weather conditions. At the helm, the navigation pods house the Garmin chart plotter, radar, wind instruments, and autopilot. The controls are clean and well laid out, with excellent sight lines forward. Stepping below, the warm, inviting salon showcases varnished teak joinery, a teak and holly sole, and excellent natural light from the stainless steel Newfound metal ports and Balmar hatches. To starboard is a large U-shaped settee with a dining table. To port, a straight settee with storage behind and below. This is a bright, comfortable living space with great ventilation and LED lighting throughout. Aft and to starboard is a U-shaped galley equipped for real cruising. It features double stainless steel sink, forced tin 2-burner stove and oven, microwave, refrigerator and freezer, and long countertops with excellent storage. This is a functional, secure galley with everything needed for extended time aboard. Opposite the galley is a forward-facing nav station with chart table, Garmin GPS map 198C, sounder, SSB, VHF, and the electrical breaker panel. Moving forward, the V-berth offers 2 comfortable berths, great storage, and excellent light. Just aft is the forward head and shower. Heading aft through the midship passageway, you'll find excellent engine access on the inboard side. Outboard is a long countertop workspace with generous storage, ideal for tools, spares, and maintenance projects. The aft cabin is spacious with a large berth, numerous drawers and lockers, and great ventilation from an overhead hatch. This is a true master stateroom with the comfort and storage needed for long-term living aboard. The aft head features a full bathtub and shower, a rare luxury on a 46-foot sailboat. The engine room has two access points, from the passageway and from the aft head. Inside you'll find the Perkins 65 horsepower diesel, the Northern Lights 6 kilowatt generator, and a long list of mechanical upgrades. As we step back outside, it's clear that this Morgan 462 has been thoughtfully upgraded and continuously improved. With updated rigging, rebuilt windlass, extensive mechanical work, solar, wind, water maker, new air conditioning, and a warm, comfortable interior, she is truly ready for her next adventure. To view this Morgan 462, contact Little Yacht Sales.